Imagine holding a phone in your hand that doesn't need a SIM card, doesn't rely on mobile data, and still connects you to the world instantly. No Wi-Fi, no network signal, no monthly bills. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is exactly what the piphone promises to deliver. While everyone is busy upgrading to the latest iPhone for better cameras and faster chips, there's a whole new revolution quietly building up, a phone powered by decentralized technology designed to break every traditional limit of connectivity and control. The piphone isn't just another smartphone. It is a statement of independence, a vision of what mobile technology could be if it was built for people, not profit. And if what the creators claim is true, the iPhone might soon look like an old piece of luxury tech from the past. In this video, we're going to explore how the piphone challenges everything we know about smartphones. We'll see how it could connect users across the globe without any traditional internet, how it uses blockchain and AI to change the way we communicate, and why some tech experts believe it could disrupt the smartphone market the same way the iPhone did in 2007. Whether you're an Apple fan or someone who believes in decentralized freedom, this is a story worth listening to, because the piphone might just redefine the meaning of smart in smartphones. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you might find yourself questioning if the iPhone is really the future, or if it's time to make room for something much bigger. The era of the piphone. The iPhone has always been known for its polished design, fast processors, and seamless software. But it still follows a centralized model, where every update, every app, and every permission goes through Apple. The piphone, on the other hand, represents a completely new kind of technology built on decentralization. It's designed to connect directly through blockchain systems, creating a peer-to-peer network that doesn't depend on traditional telecom providers. This means no SIM cards, no mobile companies controlling your data, and possibly even no Wi-Fi dependence. The piphone could process tasks using distributed computing, making it faster, smarter, and freer. One of the biggest promises of the piphone is its ability to stay connected anywhere, mountains, deserts, or oceans, without needing a signal tower. It's said to use advanced satellite or mesh networking technology that allows users to communicate directly with others nearby, creating a web of devices that share information seamlessly. This approach could eliminate the need for expensive data plans and make digital access truly global. Power efficiency is another focus. The piphone may consume less energy through optimized blockchain operations and AI power management. Compared to iPhone's frequent charging cycles, this could be a huge advantage. The piphone is not just about communication, it's about economic freedom. Since it's linked with the Pi network, users could earn, trade, or spend Pi coins directly from their device. Imagine sending money across countries instantly, with no banking fees, right from your phone. The iPhone, though powerful, keeps users within Apple's closed ecosystem, from App Store payments to Apple Pay. The Pi phone's open economy model gives control back to users, allowing them to participate in a digital economy that belongs to everyone, not a single corporation. It's more than a phone. It's a tool for empowerment. The piphone is expected to feature an AI system that learns from its users rather than collecting data for a company. Its intelligence is designed to run locally, providing faster and more private responses. Unlike Siri, which depends heavily on Apple's servers, Pi I could process commands independently, meaning no delays, no data sharing, and complete privacy. The user experience focuses on personalization, community-driven updates, and innovation powered by collective input. This creates a dynamic ecosystem that keeps evolving with users' needs. The piphone, if successful, could become the smartest and most private phone ever built. So after looking at everything from technology and connectivity to economy and one thing is clear. The piphone isn't just another competitor to the iPhone, it's a completely different vision of what a phone can be. While the iPhone continues to polish its features year after year, the piphone is trying to rewrite the rules altogether. It's about freedom, global access, and putting the power back into people's hands. Maybe it's still early. Maybe it won't replace Apple overnight. But revolutions never happen in a day. The iPhone changed the world once by connecting people. The piphone could change it again by freeing them. So, what do you think? Will the future belong to Apple's control or Pi's freedom? Let me know in the comments, And if you believe in the power of innovation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech stories about the future.